Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Passwords and Security. Following that, click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. After selecting the perfect one, wait 5 seconds and choose Got It in the pop-up. Finally, you can create your login method and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're ready, select Confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, click on Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions. If you don't, just click on Cancel. So now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!